Okay, we are calculating z-scores today, and that's our learning goal for the day as well. A z-score, you calculate it and interpret z-scores as a measure of relative standing as a method of standardizing units. Okay, here we go. A z-score, this is how it is calculated. A z-score describes how many standard deviations a data item in a normal distribution lies above or below the mean. The z-score can be calculated using this formula. So it tells you exactly how far away from the mean, in the normal bell curve, here's the mean, how many standard deviations your piece of data is this way and how many it is this way. And you calculate it by taking the data point and subtracting the mean. You get that total, and then you actually divide by the standard deviation, and it tells you how far away it is, how many standard deviations. All right, this is the first problem. The mean score of a newborn infant is 7 pounds, and the standard deviation is 0.8. The weight of the newborn infants are normally distributed. Find the z-score for a weight of 9 pounds. Okay, so you put 9 first, which is the weight of the baby, then you subtract it from the mean, you subtract the mean from it, and then you divide by the standard deviation, which is 0.8. So these are the important numbers here, and then you put that in your calculator. You can hit the fraction button, put 9 minus 7, and then do 0.8 in the denominator, and hit equals, and you can go, the calculator will take you straight to this. But this baby is 2.5 standard deviations above the mean, which means it's one of the bigger babies. Now, this is the same scenario, only we're doing it for an 8-pound baby. So we're doing 8 minus 7 over 0.8. Put that in your calculator, and you get 1.25. This one's just 1 standard deviation and a fourth of the next one. It's a fourth of the way into the second standard deviation. So it's a bigger than normal, obviously, baby. A 6-pound baby. This one, you do the 6 pounds minus the 7, which is the mean, divided by the standard deviation, which is 0.8, and that gives you negative 1.25. This one is below average. Of course, you can tell that by just going 6 and 7, but anyway, this is a little over 1 standard deviation to the left. So it lets you know just how far away from the mean the weight of the baby is. Thank you.